Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. You guys, it's been forever since I did bantu knots, and yes, that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video today. Those are the products I show you. Actually, I found ginger oil. That's the oil I've been using. I do not have a link to it because I got it from the African store, but oh my gosh, it been doing so good for my hair and that of my daughters, so it's kids friendly, I'm gonna tell you. So as you can see that I'm parting my hair in the back, I did like a big section, and I'm just doing semi triangle. I know I'm not doing a straight box parting, so yeah, that's the parting I got there. I'm making sure, and then I went in the middle. I did another section from ear to ear, a big space as well, and I did like 4 parting in the middle. I'm just speeding through it, guys. I do not have mirror. I don't see in the back when I'm parting my hair. I just use my imaginations. Sometimes you'll catch me closing my eyes when I'm parting. That's literally me envisioning a spot on my scalp. Yes. And then in the front I also did 3 partings, so in total I had 9 bantu knots, and guys, I love it. So we are going to be adding extension to this. You're seeing that I have the Brazilian wood, so yes, I'm going to be using wood for this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm starting from the back, and then again we're gonna be using the rubber band method. So this is a very easy and simple, and it'll be tension free because I am doing the usual, you know how I split it and then put the hair in the middle and put the rubber band. Yes, I found that is much more easier and tension free for when you are wrapping the bantu, the hair extension. So I'm not going to be braiding the hair. We're just going to be wrapping it as it is, all the yarn. Okay, so what I do is put my natural hair in the middle between the Brazilian wool, and then I just start twisting it around. I try to like hold it from the roots while I'm twisting it, and then I'll just go ahead and start twisting it around. So reason why I comb the end is because I wanted to be able to wrap it all the way so that it can be secure without me using rubber band again to hold it in place, or using bobby pin to keep it in place. So that's why I kind of comb the end to taper it. So I did want some braids in the front, so I'm kind of parting from the middle areas and bringing it behind my ears just to be able to create that braided look in the front before I do the bantu knot. And I thought it was cute. I just wanted to add a little bit more chic to the hair than it already is. And yeah, and also I will be adding, I didn't show it to you guys, but I will be adding the strand, the gold strands, because I do know that I was going to accessorize when I'm done. So I just decided to do a feed in with it, but you'll see exactly what I'm talking about in a minute or second. And I'm just taking out some baby hair. Yep, that's the strand I'm going to be feeding in as I braid. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to apply some shine and jam to the roots as usual, just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to split that open to now put the Brazilian wool in the middle. So I always have my rubber band drenched in oil. So what I did there was pull 2 strands of the wool a little longer than the rest. That way that I'm going to comb out, and if I'm ready to like wrap it around the bantu knot, that won't secure everything in, and I wouldn't be needing to put bobby pin or rubber band to keep it secure, since I'm using Brazilian wool instead of braiding hair extension that is already pre-stretched. All right, so yes, I'm just pulling it to make it secure to my level. And also I went in with my Canton leave-in conditioner, and then I put in shine and jam. So I'm just combing out the ends to loosen it up to make it nice and taper. So I go in first with a comb, and then I go back in with brush. And again, I put my natural hair in the middle of the wood and then start twisting. That's what I was trying to say. Sometimes my brain, yeah. And also I am using 22 strands of wool per bantu knot. Just thought I should mention that, just in case anybody's curious to know. I'm telling you, doing it this way, like putting the hair in the middle and then rubber banding instead of braiding it from the roots, made it so painless. If you have done bantu knot before, let me know. Sometimes like the twisting, when you are twisting it and you're maybe heavy-handed or you want it to stay secure, sometimes you really be ODing with the twist and then your hair starts to hurt. But with this method, it's easy, it's simple. That way anybody can do it, beginner friendly, you know. And another thing I like about Brazilian wool, I always tell you guys, is that it's even, so you get to cut it to the length you want. You don't got to deal with cutting straight ends and stuff like that. It just makes your work look polished and smooth. But remember, whenever you're using the yarn, Brazilian wool, moisturize your hair as much as possible, because it does suck oil out of your hair. And I'm just about to do the front. I'm going to go ahead again and split it open. Yes, and then pull down 2 strands that I'll be using to be the very end to secure everything in. Again, I'm using 22 strands per bantu knot. I almost forgot that I was going to add another accessory dash strand thing to the middle. So those are 2 that I added there, just to you'll see how it look like in a minute. You will see. And you guys, I really like this look. I can't believe it took me forever to do bantu knots again. That used to be my go-to. Go in with my leave-in conditioner before I put in my shine and gem to sleek everything down. And just make sure you comb the ends and brush it through, or just comb it. You don't gotta brush it too, but just comb it just to taper everything down to make your work easy. And it's just one of those fast and nice protective style. Guys, look at those gold strands. I feel like they really added a lot more glam to the bantu knot that they already are. This might be too much for some, but for me it was perfect. I don't have a problem with it. I will be doing this hairstyle again. And they're nice and chunky. That's another thing I love about it, that they're nice jumbo, just beautiful statement piece. Okay, when you walk in the room, it's no way you ain't getting noticed. I'm just saying, we're not trying to seek attention, but we'll still get it regardless, you know. And we got to do the edges. Okay, we got to lay them down, do the soup do do do. Yes, man. I love the nice and simple hairstyle, out the door kind of thing. You can do this in less than an hour or two, depending on how your parting is and stuff like that. And you'll be out. You'll be out. It's like effortlessly beautiful. Yes, you see that smile? And bam! Who that? Oh God. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, join the family. When you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.